Srinija has written till that. Shravanya, good morning, Shravanya. Sarah, good morning. Yes?
Excuse me. Start writing.
Yes, who's that calling me? Sarah, wow.
Yes, ma'am. Sarah was calling you, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Sarah. Sarah.
I'm writing.
Yeah, you're writing. I can see that. Very good, right? Good girl you are.
Ma'am, what says that, ma'am? It's your friend brother.
Sorry?
Ma'am, what should be Shivapranay and Shivapranay should write?
From A to Z. If they know to write from A to Z, they can write. Or else whatever alphabet we have taught till far, they can write those alphabet. Till T we have learned, I think. Try to write. Right. Show me, Makadambari, show me. Till what you have written? I, M. M is mountain pattern. How will you write, Makadambari? One more time you write M. N is correct. But M you have to change.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Kadambari, can you hear me? Kadambari.
Yeah.
M you have to change, Kadambari, okay?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Try to write O, P, Q and all. Turn your slate and write.
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Mansa, good Mansa. Till Z you have written. I'll note it down. Very good. Well done. Srinija. Srinija gets a pink color star. She has finished till Z. Srinija, this is for you. Where is Srinija? Srinija. Srinija, are you there?
Yes.
Yes, this star goes for you, okay?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Manasa. Manasa, you get red color star.
Red color.
Yay!
Very
Thank
good.
you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kana.
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am. நான் ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்றேன்.
Tell me.
நான் வந்து டெய்லி தூங்கி எழுந்துட்டு நைட்டா இருக்கும்போது நான் வெளில எங்கேயும் கிளம்புவோம். அப்போ வந்து நம்மளோட பிளாக் டாகி வந்துடும். அது ஏன்னா நான் அது பயந்துருவேன் அந்த பிளாக் டாகி.
Okay.
அதான்
Thank you.
Okay.
Shravanya, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hitesh, finish. Hitesh, till Zeta. Super Hiteshri. Very good. And Hitesh, what color star you need? What color star?
Pink star.
Pink. Wait. Pink star for Hiteshri. Well done.
Thank you.
Welcome. Next, who else? Arya Barnidharan, good morning.
Good morning, Salam.
Good morning.
Good morning. I want you to write from A to Z.
I want green star.
Yeah, finish writing A to Z and then I'll give you star definitely. Okay? Till Z you have written a Tilakar. Wow, Tilakar. Such a good boy. Okay, what color star you need, Tilakar? Red color. Okay, red color star. Okay, Tilakar, but concentrate on the lines. Blue line to, red line to blue line. Okay? சரியா உங்க இஷ்டத்துக்கு எழுத கூடாது அந்த 3 லைன்ஸ்ல தான் எழுதணும் ஓகே ஃபைன் குட் பாய் நெக்ஸ்ட் who else யுக்தா Very good, Yukta. Okay, welcome, ma. Yukta, very good. Yukta, what color star you need?
చెప్పు లౌడ్ గా చెప్పు.
Hmm? Pink. This goes for Yukta. Pink. Yes, happy? Very good, Yukta. I've written very neatly. Very good girl. Riyashri also finished. Wow, children, you all are writing till Z. Very proud of you, children. Till Z. Okay, Riyashri, what color star you need? What color? Pink. Pink. Pink and green. Okay, you need pink and green. I'll give you both. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Riyashri. Thanks for writing. Good, very good. Pranav, I'm waiting for you, Pranav. Pranav, Pravina, Pranavi, why don't you write? I'm waiting for Arya also. Kadambari, till Z you have written? Pranavi and
They are
Pravina.
writing, ma'am. They are writing, ma'am.
Okay. Kadambari finished till Z.
I'm writing.
You are writing. Okay, right. Wow, Pranav, I thought you will finish. Very good, Pranav. Well done. What color star you need? Good boy, Pranav. What color star you need? In the color? Green. Green. Happy. Take it. Snatch it. Good. Very good. Well done, Pranav. Next, who else? Then Sara. Still what I have taught you have written, huh? Very good, Sara. G. You have attempted to write G. Very good. Good girl. What color star you need? Red. I thought you will ask red only. Happy. But try to write other alphabets also. M, N and all. Try to write. Try I'll give another star, try.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Sara. Good girl.
கூப்பிடுங்க.
Kadambari has written, huh?
நீ கூப்பிடலாம் அவங்க கேட்காது.
Kadambariயோட hand parents, Kadambari parents, who is there near Kadambari?
சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
While writing, Kadambariயோட hand வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டெடியா வச்சு எழுதணும் ஸ்லேட்ல.
இல்ல அவ லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட்ன்றதுனால எனக்கு அவ லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் அவ.
No. இந்த பார்ட் இருக்கு இல்லையா ஹேண்ட், இது வந்து இந்த ஸ்லேட்ல கொஞ்சம் நீங்க ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணி எழுத சொன்னீங்கன்னா அந்த வேவியா இருக்காது அந்த ஆல்பபெட்.
ஓகே மேம்.
சொல்றது ரொம்ப வேவியா இருக்கு பாருங்க. It's not in a proper way. ரொம்ப slanting அப்படி இப்படின்னு இருக்கு. So when she focus on that, no, then she'll get a perfect handwriting. In future.
Okay, ma'am.
In notebook also,
Okay,
while writing in worksheets also, she'll get that control. When she's not keeping her hand on the sheet or slate, no, her handwriting will not improve.
Okay, ma'am.
Let her fix it on the paper or slate or whatever it is. When she's writing in that way only, her handwriting will improve.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Try like that and let me see how she is writing. But she has written till Z. You. Okay. Finish, Makana. Kadambari, finish till Z and show it to me. I'll give you stars.
Ma'am,
okay. You attempted well. Very good.
Ma'am.
Wow, Elango also has written without help. Amma
no, ma'am. Not without help.
Without help.
With help only.
With help only, okay. Very genuine answer. I appreciate you. What color star you need, Ilango?
What color star you need, Ilango? What color star?
Red.
Ma'am,
yes, I'm having red only in my hand. I thought you'll ask red only.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, who else finished? Come on, children, we have to start the session. Finish it fast. Shravanya. Still, I didn't see Shravanya, Adya Sharma, Nimalan, Arya Barnidharan. Nakshatra, did you finish, ma? Oh my God, Nakshatra is angry on Mama. Why? Lift it,
Ma'am,
show
she
your
got
face.
it.
Lift it up. Wow, Nakshatra, well done. Very good girl. What color star you need? Pink color. See, I'm having pink only. I know you'll ask pink. See here. Pinky girl. Pink. Happy. I'll look at her eyes. Happy. Nakshatra, what happened? Take it. This is for you. Pink only. This is red. This is pink. Okay, ma. Pink only. This one.
No, ma'am, she want it in real, it seems.
Real star. I'll keep it in the school. You come and get it. Okay? Chiriya. Daddy கிட்ட சொல்லி வாங்கிட்டு வர. ஆமா. You come and take it from school, okay? I'll save all these stars for you, okay? நிறைய stars
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Sarah's parent, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me Sarah's mom.
Ma'am, இப்போ நீங்க ஆல்பபெட்ஸ் காட்டும்போது it was not in the mirror image இல்லையா ma'am? கேமரால காட்டும்போதும்.
Sorry?
You showed the written alphabets in your slate, right, ma'am?
Yeah?
But it wasn't the mirror image. Actual image.
Only.
Perfect. How did you get that, ma'am, in front of the camera? Angle ஏதாவது செட் பண்ணி வைக்கிறீங்களா?
No, as usual I'm showing only.
Okay.
Perfect only. Why do you worry about that?
இல்ல I just want to know how to get this because whenever I show something in front of the camera while teaching, mirror image வருது எனக்கு மட்டும். So
I don't know. I'm showing it to you.
Done. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Finish, Sarah. Finish. Good. Arya.
Last one. Last
Arya.
set.
I thought Arya would finish.
ये भी नीचे बीच में लगाओ.
Arya, finish. Nitish is still writing. Oh, wow. Right.
Ira Niti.
It's my homework.
Wow, a notebook, Arya.
I finished my homework.
Writing in notebook. Close, that's all.
She don't like slate. She started crying.
Started writing in notebook, very advanced. Come on, show me what you have done.
Copy the.
You baby first.
Adya, let me see your uniform. Come on, stand up. Let me see your uniform.
You baby.
Wow,
Over dots she has written. Herself she has written.
perfectly. No, well done. Adya, what is the stars you need?
आधा स्टार मैम स्टार कौन सा चाहिए?
कौन सा स्टार चाहिए?
Color.
बोलो. कौन सा स्टार?
ग्रीन रेड कौन सा?
Green, red. कौन सा स्टार?
Pink.
Pink. This girl always pink. Pink.
Yay. Thank you बोलो.
Welcome, Adya. Okay, I hope everyone has finished. I've noted down your names also. Arya, Pranavi and Pravina also good. Very good. You have seen yours. Good. What color star you need? Both of you tell me. Tell me what color star you need.
Ma'am, for Pranavi pink.
Pranavi pink. Okay, Pravina.
Tell to ma'am.
Red.
Green, ma'am.
Green. Okay. Green. Happy? Happier.
Happier.
Very good. Pranavi and Pravina also I'll note down. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome both of you. Next, who else finished? I'm going to start the session. Who else didn't go to ma'am?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Lavanya,
Ma'am,
Nitish. Nitish, wow, super Nitish. Well done. What color star you need, Nitish?
என்ன கலர் ஸ்டார் வேணும்? Which color?
king better king.
Green.
Huh? Green.
Tell.
King.
அங்க பாரு, அங்க பாருங்க.
Ma'am, you call Abhi.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, welcome, Nitish. Next is Shravanya. Shravanya. Good, Arya. Very good, Arya. Very good, Arya. Arya Bharnidharan, very good.
Ma'am, very good.
Shravanya, not that much big, you should not write. Little bit smaller, you have to write in 4-line notebook. Where is your mama?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here, ma'am.
Where is mom? Shavanya's mom?
Ma'am, I want white.
I'm here.
You're there, huh?
Yes,
Write
yes,
every
ma'am.
Did I tell you to buy 3 notebooks, Shavanya's mom? 4-line notebook.
He has,
checkbook,
he has,
and
ma'am.
notebook.
From tomorrow, I'll make her write on that.
Notebook. Please don't use this ruled notebook. Either you use 4-line notebook or a plain notebook.
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, that will only make her writing better. She's writing big letters. See, then
Yeah.
she'll not get that control.
Sure,
Okay,
ma'am.
you have to guide her with dots. And the dots oda solli kuduthina da adjustment varum. Okayங்களா?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, thank you. Very good. Shavanya, what color star you need? White color star. Arya, sorry, Arya. I didn't get my white color star today. I'm giving you pink, okay? Sorry. Okay,
I want white.
white color.
Ma'am does not have white today. See.
Tomorrow definitely I will give you white, okay? Sorry. Somewhere here I have one more. Yeah,
There is white. Go.
yeah, very good. Shavanya, what color star you need?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What star? Red, ah?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, happy, ah? Good. Okay, children, all of you keep your slates aside. Join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start our session.
Ma'am, for this Pranadi and Praveen, we bought 2 unrolled notes and 1 4-line note, ma'am.
Why 2 unrolled notebooks? One printed notebook you didn't buy, ah?
Ma'am, for both of them, 1 unrolled books, ma'am.
Unrolled note da irukka. You have to buy one check notebook for maths, no?
இந்தாம்மா ஒரு நிமிஷம் இராம
That also you can buy it.
Unrolled for maths, ma'am.
ஆஹா, checked notebook. Checks இருக்கும். Checked notebook னு கேட்டிங்கனாலே கொடுப்பாங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, children, join your hands and close your eyes, everyone.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Kidsy anthem. You are with me. You are infinite. My body is inside.
Why was it
You are moving. Beneath the light. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might.
all my might.
I shall achieve.
இது அப்பத்துல இருந்து காது ஆன் பண்ணானா அப்பவும் வரமாட்டான் கரெக்ட் டைம்க்கு வரானா
Yes, very good morning, children. Good morning, all. Yeah, good morning, everyone. Okay, children, all of you stand up. Stand up, all of you. Don't sit down. Stand up, all of you. Stand up. Stand up. Today is International Yoga Day. So, shall we see some yoga poses and try it out? Are you all ready? Wait for ma'am. I'm going to show you some pictures. Okay?
Abba. No.
Yeah. Here you have yoga poses. First pose is tree pose. Try to do it, children. First is tree pose. You have to lift one leg up and join both of your hands to make it. Okay, tree pose. Come on, try these four. Second one, you need not try, children. It's a little bit difficult. Camel pose, you need not try. Try for the tree pose, lord of the dance pose, and chair pose. Come on, try. Parents, if you are able to take a snap while doing yoga, you can take and send it in group. If it is possible, please take a snap of what they are doing and send it in group. Very good, Shravanya, good. Pranavi, Pravina, good. Adya Sharma is trying. Nitish, good kana, very good. Riyashri, be careful. Get down on the floor and do. Or else children stand up on the bed or something so that when you fall down also you will not get hurt. Nakshatra, good. Manasa, try. Arya, try. Sara, try. Come on. Dance pose, you are trying for dance pose, Sara. Very good. Shravanya, try. Chair pose, like sitting on the chair. See here. This one. Like sitting on the chair. See here. Wow, very good, children. You all are trying it very well. Good children. Okay, next set we'll go. Okay, and then next one here. See here. Big toe pose. Bend and touch your toe. Big toe pose. See here. Bend and touch your toe. Bend and touch your toe. And then bow pose. Boat pose. And triangle pose. Try which is easier for you. Come on. But everyone have to do, children. I don't want to see anyone sitting down. Come on. Everyone try to do it. See how that small girl is doing. Arya, come on. Try it out. Manasa, try. You can do it, Manasa. Try. Ilango. Hiteshri, be careful, Hiteshri. Very good, children. Well done. Adya, be careful, Adya. Okay, come on. The next one, okay? See here. Down dog pose. This one, the second one. Down dog pose. And the last one, plank pose. Down dog pose. Parents, you can show them which to do. Down dog pose, plank pose, warrior pose. Down dog pose. Very good, Sara. Very good, Manasa, good. Arya, good, Arya. Well done. Down dog pose. It's very easy, right? Very good, Riyashri. Shravanya is doing plank pose. Well done, children. Parents, please, if it is possible, take a snap of how your child is doing and please send it in group. Next is cow pose. See, cow, like a cow. Cow pose. Seated side pose. Warrior 2 pose. Very good, Nitish. Very nice, Nitish. Lango, good. Well done. Good, Manasa. Good. Well done. Well done. Very good, children. All of you stand up. Stand up. Don't sit down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. You have to relax, okay? Now go drink 1 glass of water and come back for the attendance, okay? Come on, all of you. Go inside, drink 1 glass of water, or if you have water bottle, drink water. Come on. Ready? Adarsh.
One second, ma'am. Pranati and Pranati.
Others is present, ma'am.
Adarsh. Adarsh, you have to say, here I am. Okay, Mark, Adarsh, don't cry. Arya. Arya. Very good, Arya. Adya Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Adya. Ilango.
இதான் நீ சொல்லு 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 என்ன சொல்லுங்க மேம் கிட்ட
இதுல மேம்
மேம் தான் நீ சொல்ற பிறையா மேம் சொல்லு சத்தமா சொல்லு சரி
What is the confusion today for you? Comment screen la தேடிட்டு இருக்கீங்களா?
மேம் வெண்ணிலா மேம் தான் சொல்லு ஹீரோயா மேம் சொல்லு
வெண்ணிலா மேம்
Okay, thank you, Ilango. Hiteshri.
Here I am.
Very good, Hiteshri. Kesha, sorry. Kevin. Kevin. Over. Okay. Next is Nakshatra.
Nakshatra, Sula. Here I am.
Okay.
Amma, this is not
Here I am ma'am
Okay, Nimalan. Nimalan. Manasa. Very good, Nimalan. Very good. Kadambari.
yes ma'am yes
Kadambari.
Yes, ma'am.
here I am
Here I am. Okay. Pranav. Okay, Riyasri. Riyasri. Very good, Riyasri. Sara.
Yes, ma'am.
Sara. Here I am, you have to say. Sai Priyan. Sai Priyan. Sai Priyan. Where is Sai Priyan?
Here I am, ma'am.
Sai Priyan. Okay, ma. Sravanya. Okay, Sravanya.
I hear, ma'am.
Pranavi and Pravina. Very good. Srinija. Srinija.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Very good. Yukta.
Here I am.
Yeah, very good, Yukta. Thank you so much, children. Finished your attendance. Now I want you to take your My Trip book. You will have My Trip book in your bag. Keep it ready. Bring it. Ask your mama to bring. By the time, we'll have a small recap of alphabets, okay? First alphabet is A. Look here. Capital A. All of you look at the screen. We are going to learn the phonic sounds also. So no need to turn here and there. Look at the screen, everyone.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
My word will put please be ready with it, but don't open the book. When I tell you to open the book, you can open. Now, please don't open it. They will not concentrate on what I am teaching. Please don't open
Ma'am,
the
one
book.
minute. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Manasa's ma'am, this is one. Manasa's mother. Kidzik Kodambakam from. We didn't get the kit.
No issues. I'm going to show them. No issues. Let us see here itself. No
Okay.
issues. Children, all of you look here. Don't take your book. Close your book. When I ask you to open the book, you open it. First, you have to listen to ma'am. I'm going to teach you phonics today. Sound of the letters, okay? So please don't open the book. Look at ma'am. All of your eyes should be on the screen. Nobody should look here and there. Okay? Yes, fine. Very good, children. First alphabet is A. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. And the phonic sound for A is A. Shall we see the phonic rhyme? A, and so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they are causing me alarm. Okay, what is the phonic sound for A? And the action is like this. The hand will go in your hand like this, right? So the action for A is this one, and the phonic sound for A is A. And so my arm, and so my arm, and so my arm, they are causing me alarm. Okay, and the next alphabet is B. You all know it is B. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. All of you mute yourself, children. Cyprian, mute yourself. Capital B, small b. And the phonic sound for B is all of you children, when you're playing cricket, how will you strike the ball, children? Strike the ball with your bat. Hold the bat. Strike the ball. Cyprian, please mute yourself, Cyprian. Hold your bat. Strike your ball. That is the action for B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. What is the action for B? B. Phonic sound. B. 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 Okay. Next is C. C. Capital C. Small c. Capital C. Small c. And the phonic sound for C is K. Action. You will click your fingers like this. K. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. K, K, K. Okay. And next is D. 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 Capital D. Small d. Capital D. Small d. D. And the sound is D. When you play a drum, how will you do the action, children? D, 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 D. How will you play a drum with the stick? Like this, right? So, D, D, D. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the D, 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 D. See me play upon my drum. D. Okay, D, 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 D. Next is E. Today till E only we are going to learn. So, the next alphabet is E. Capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. And the phonic sound is E. How will you crack the egg? How will you break an egg? You will crack it like this and you will pour it in a pan like this, right? So, this is the action for E. E. Eggs in the pan. E, E, E. Eggs in the pan. E, E, E. Eggs in the pan. E, E, E. Crack the egg like this. E. Okay, so A, B, B, C, K, D, D, and E, E. E, E. Now take your books, everyone. Take A. Take this page. Who is going to read out all these pictures for me today? Shall I call Srinija? Come on. Srinija. A. Come on, take all these pictures. A for aeroplane. Next one. Astronaut. Very good. Next one.
Apple.
Apple. Very good. Next one.
Van.
No, it's ambulance.
Ambulance. Very good. Next one. Okay.
Ankle.
Ankle. Ankle.
Ankle.
Ankle.
Okay.
Ankle.
Ankle.
Anchor.
Ankle.
Anchor. Very good. Next one. Animals.
Animal.
Very good, Srinija. Next turn. Take the page. B page. B. Bird. B. Bird. Point out the pictures, children. I'll read it for you. Point out the pictures with your pointer finger. This is the way you have to learn at home also. B. Bird. B. Bird. Capital B, small b. And the phonic sound for B is B. B. Bird. Balloon. B. Bird. Bathtub. B. Bus. B. Bottle. Bicycle. Blanket. Point it out one by one, children. Bubble. And another one sound is also the boy. And next is butterfly. So what is the sound for B? B. Okay? Take the next page. C. C for, what is the sound for C? K. Yes, sound for C is k. Crown. Candle. Comb. What will you do with the comb? What will you do with the comb? What will you do with the comb, children? Yes, very good, Nitish Yukta. Srinija, you will comb your hair. Very good. Comb. Next, cake. Cactus. Okay. So when you pronounce it with the sound, you will not take this chimpanzee chair and all because it comes along with H. So when you blend it, it becomes another sound. So I omitted chimpanzee, chair and cherry. Apart from that, you can learn crown, candle, comb, cake, cactus. How many of you like cake? Raise your hand. How many of you like cakes? Both the hands. Adarsh. For this and all, you'll raise your hand. Naughty boy. Very good, children. All of you like cake. Okay. Cake and then cactus. Okay. Next is D. Come on, take your D page. Take your D page. D. Drums. Dress. Look at your book and point out the pictures, children. Dice. Desk. Desk is what you are sitting and writing, no, on the table. That one, desk. Doormat. Everyone have doormats in your home, right? Doormat. Dolphin. Diamond. Diamond you will use in jewels and all. Diamond. Dog, you know. Dog. Okay, and next is E. Capital E, small e, and the phonic sound for E is E. Elephant. Elf. Egg. Engine. Elevator. Eraser. Exercise. Exam paper. Exam paper. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E today we have seen. Tomorrow we'll see from F to J. Now I want you to take your worksheet. Worksheet book number 1, and this worksheet A to E you will have. And the worksheet number is D01. It will be given here. Parents, if you check down here in the worksheet, it will be given JR, that is Junior KG, D01, that is Day 1, LT, Language Time Worksheet. And the content is A to E.
Where it is, ma'am? In the same book.
Yeah, workbook number 1. Not this book, not my workbook. Workbook.
Okay, okay. Which page?
After the patterning worksheet you will have. Here if you see, it will be given D01L2. Later on, only the days will be mentioned. So here, if you see, all the days will be mentioned here. Which day we are going to do.
No. Okay.
Those who have taken, write today's date, 21/6/2021. And write your child name in this corner. Because today you will be sending the sheet to me, so write their name in this corner. And write the date in this corner. This time you have to write this month. The whole month you will be writing. From next month onwards, the child themselves will write. From A to E. 2 boxes it is given, the dots are given, rest of the boxes dots are not given. The child is feeling difficult to write, you can guide them by giving dots. Those who are able to write, you can write. Follow the line and write, children. Those who have written till Z, you are capable of writing. So write properly. Follow the line, red line to blue line. Capital letters will always start from red line and end with blue line. So try to write within the line. Yes, Adya, very good. Colorful page, right? Come on, A for apple. Apple. Slowly write. You'll get stars in your worksheet also. Come on, slowly you write. Let them write, parents. By the time, can you please prepare a small smiley with a plain paper or color paper? You can use a bottle cap. Take a circle cutout. And then can you please prepare a smiley to encourage them? Stick it in their dress. Then they'll be eager to do worksheets. Take a bottle cap, take a circle cutout and make a smiley by the time they are writing. Once they finish it, stick it in their dress. They'll feel happy as a token of appreciation. Hiteshri, you have to keep the book on the table and write, Hiteshri. Hiteshri, you don't have any table. You can sit down and also write. Children, either sit down and write or use a table, children. Don't keep it on your lap and write, or else don't keep it on your mama's lap and write. Keep it on the table or keep it on the floor and then you write. Then only the impression of your letters will look good. Come on, Adya is going to get a smiley today. Adya's mom, you can prepare for a smiley letter, write. With the color paper or plain white paper.
If I'm going anywhere, she will stop.
No paper issue.
Hey, not here. Plain paper is away.
Adya, come on, write. You don't want smiley, Adya? Adya, smiley chahiye ki nahi? What is in her nose? Riyashi, hold your pencil properly. Very good girl, Sarah. Shravanya, you can write in notebook, Shravanya. No need to sit idle. You can take any notebook, rough notebook and write. Good, Nitish. Writing very fast, Nitish. Good. Pranav, how are you writing, Pranav? Sit properly and write. Fold your legs first. Both of your legs. Fold both your legs. Sit properly. Now bend and write. Now start writing. Come on. Pranav.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah, good boy, Pranav. Thank you. Riya Sri, hold the pencil holding. You have to hold near to that lead ma. The holding is very far from the lead. Here, when she is catching, how will she write? She'll get pain here. Let her catch closer to the lead. Ah. Ilango, you can keep the book down on the floor and write, Ilango. Oh, slate is there. Okay, fine. Riyashi's mom, show me how she has written. Unmute yourself and show me. I can't see clearly.
Ma'am, Srinija has finished now.
Very good, Srinija. Good girl. Smiley is ready for Srinija.
Yes, I finished.
Wait, I'll bring you the smiley. Wait. 1 minute. Mute yourself, Ma Srinija. Riyashri, let me check what you have written. Show me. Riyashri's mom, can you please show me what she has written? Yeah, good. Good, good. Thank you. Wait for me, children. I'll bring you smiley, okay? Wait. Your parents are not giving you smileys. I'll bring for you. Wait.
ఇంత దరిద్రంగా రాస్తున్నావు అంటే అంత దరిద్రంగా
Srinija, this is for you.
Thank you, ma'am. Show your hands.
Welcome.
She got a smiley on her hands.
Got smiley on your hand also. Wow, very good. Sarah, finish. Well, very good, ma, Srinija. Sarah.
Talk, Sarah.
Show me, Sarah. Wow, Sarah, good.
It is little difficult, ma'am.
And this is for Sarah. Sarah. Smiley. Okay?
Manasa.
Manasa.
Manasa, finish. Show me Manasa. I know you do beautifully. And this goes for Manasa. Manasa also gives a smiley.
Ma'am.
But smiley.
Thank you.
Welcome. This year. Hey, you got that. Very good. Well done.
Arts and shape eyes.
Okay, ma. Adya got a star. Adya, very good. Very good, Adya. Right, come on, finish writing. What is smiling? Finish writing.
Class movie.
Sarah, mute yourself.
Not writing after smiling.
What?
Arya is not writing, so I'll make her do it as homework and then I'll share it on WhatsApp.
Arya, you didn't write. Why, Arya? Why, ma? Why? What?
Writing, tell ma'am.
What happened? Tell me what is the reason.
I want to play.
You want to play? You can play, but after the session also you can play, no?
Okay.
Come on, now you write for ma'am. Only 2 lines you write for ma'am alone, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good girl, Arya.
Finish, ma'am. Finish,
Very
ma'am.
good, ma, Yukta. And smiley goes for you.
Ma'am, she's distracted with smiley. Now she wants to make smiley.
You want to make smiley, yeah? If you write only, you can make. Jaldi likho. Write first. Then only always no smiley.
She gets distracted easily.
Oh, so then what shall I do? I should not give her anything, I think. Okay, finish it and send it in group. I'll correct her worksheet.
Okay.
Yeah, fine. Next. Who else? What? Shaking your head. Adya Sharma. Right. Nitish, finish.
And then.
Okay, right. Hiteshri. Very good, Hiteshri. And Hiteshri also gets a smiley.
Thank you.
Welcome. Adarsh, write fast.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, Adish is writing, but his letter was not that stable, ma'am. All the lines are floating, ma'am. Like this.
Oh, okay. Anyway,
Practice on the.
Yeah, regular practice will make him perfect. Don't worry about that. Regularly, if he's writing, it will be good only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Make him write in notebook also.
Oh, yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Adarsh, smiley vandama. Okay. Pranav. Finish, Pranav. Very good, Pranav. And this smiley goes for Pranav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Pranav. Nimalan, finish. Very good, Nimalan. Today, Mama didn't complain about you. Good boy. Show me. Show it closer. Yeah, good. Good. Nimalan, smiley Nimalan. Smiley for Nimalan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Nimalan. Next, who else?
Ma'am, I put dots in other 3 lines also, ma'am. Otherwise, he's not
No
writing.
issues. Let them write. No issues. Slowly they will adapt to it. No issues.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Next, who else? Ilungo va. Writing Ilungo. Nakshatra finisher. Okay, children, I think it's time. Finish it and send it in group. I'll give you smiley and stars. Okay, whatever you like. Okay, children, finish it and send it. Ask your parents to send it. Okay, thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, Bye, Adya. Yeah, bye, bye.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Say bye, Kanna.
Yeah,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yeah, who's that?
Bye.
Nitish, please, ma'am.
Nitish.